Hey, what's up guys? It's Joe from GeoArm. In this video, I'm going to show you how to wire the Qolsys IQ Panel 5 using a custom connection to the back plate that has a little positive and negative. I've already pre-wired it. I hope you can see that in the video. You'll see it has a divider here, positive, negative. Make sure you pay attention to the polarity. Reds to positive, blacks to negative. Feed it through the back. There's a little area here you'll be able to put the wire once you're done. And then on the transformer, you'll see you have a positive and a negative. Also, remember polarity. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Make sure when you wire it that you don't have too much copper exposed on either location to prevent any shorting. But also make sure that there is just a little copper exposed, that the plastic from the coating doesn't prevent it from making a good connection on both ends. And then that's it. From there, you can put this guy back in. And now you're ready to go. Put it where it's going to live. Once again, this is Joe with GeoArm, and this has been the wire in transformer using a custom wire length. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe.